In ancient days, a tale was told of Jesus, wise and kind of soul. He turned old life, like wine once stored, into a vessel fresh and restored. With gentle touch and loving grace, he transformed hearts in sacred place. From brittle clay to supple skin, he showed the way to life within. The old a wineskin cracked and worn, held stagnant wine and flavor torn. But Jesus saw potential there to make it new beyond compare. He poured his love, his wisdom too, into those lives, like making dew. And as they listened, hearts would mend, becoming vessels pure to tend. The old life faded like the past, as new wine filled them unsurpassed, a symbol of his endless love that turns the old to new above. So let us learn from this divine to let his light within us shine and turn our old worn lives around, and in his grace new hope is found.